A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine. Myself Paras Pandey, your accounts teacher. Shortly your result is also going to come. So from my side, all the very best to all of you. Hope you bring laurels to school. And in this COVID-19 epidemic, hope you all are fine. Your family members are also fine. So take care of yourself and your family members. So today we are going to discuss the syllabus. Today is a very first class of ours. So firstly we'll discuss about the syllabus. What is the syllabus? As you all knows that CBSE deleted some part of the syllabus. So today we are going to cover the 11th class accountancy syllabus along with the deleted portions also, right? So you see your syllabus is divided into two parts, part A and part B, financial accounting 1 and financial accounting 2. This is unit 1, the theoretical framework, which is of 12 marks. In this we have to cover the introduction to accounting and theory base of accounting, means basic concepts, vouchers, journal entries, and basically whatever the theoretical related with accounting is there, that all we have to cover in these two chapters. So it comes to unit 2. This is the accounting process, and this accounting process is of 40 marks. This accounting process is again divided into 7 parts. First, recording of business transaction 1, 2, recording of business transaction, that is journal entry, how to frame a journal entry, then ledger, then trial balance. All these chapters are there. Basically these are the financial terms, right? When I am speaking about the financial terms, you are unable to understand, but slowly you will get the idea that what is the term means, right? Now come to these two chapters, that is bank reconciliation statement and bills of exchange. In these two chapters, CBSE has deleted some of the topics, right? That we will cover later. Rest see the chapters, depreciation, then trial balance, then rectification of errors. Now see the deleted part in part A. This is bank reconciliation statement, right? Bank reconciliation statement means whatever the amount we are depositing in bank, that is shown by the passbook, and the businessman is also maintaining a cash book. So reconcile means to tally whatever the cash is entered in the cash book and what is the amount entered in the passbook by bank. We have to tally this. Basically this is BRS. In this, it is related with one part, that is adjusted cash book. So now we are not going to cover this topic in bank reconciliation. Now further in bills of exchange, two topics are there, that is retirement of bill and renewal of bill. So these two topics again we are not going to cover. This is related by the CBSE. Now come to part B, financial accounting 2. This financial statement is of 20 marks. In this financial statement 1, financial statement 2, and this is accounts from incomplete records. Basically the terms are how to prepare trading, profit and loss and balance sheet, right? I'm not going in detail because this is a very first lecture and you are not knowing anything about the items of accounting and the commercial terms. That's why we are not going in depth. Randomly I am giving you the idea what is the syllabus we have to cover and what is the deleted portion. Now you see this third one, accounts from incomplete records. Now see, accounts from incomplete records, the difference between incomplete record and a statement of affairs, this we are not going to cover. Now preparation of trading, P&L and balance sheet in incomplete records we are not going to cover. Now the next part, this is unit 4, computerized accounting, is of 8 marks. In this, two topics are there: application of computers in accounting and computerized accounting system. right? This is basically the syllabus. Now see the deleted part. Whatever the operating software, utility software, accounting information system along with management information system, this is MIS, this we are not going to cover, and different stages in automation in computerized accounting. So these topics we are not going to cover. In short, we will say that in computerized accounting, in this unit, maximum part, approx 80% part, CBSE has excluded this year. So we have to study only 20% part of this computerized accounting, only the basic information, right? What is the meaning of accounting? What is computerized accounting? What is computerized accounting system? This basically the introduction only. So now you get a clear idea that what is the actual syllabus as per CBSE and what CBSE has excluded for this academic year due to this COVID-19. Clear? So this point is clear, and shortly in the next video we will start with the very first chapter, that is Introduction to Accounting. Thank you.